Okay, I am back. Now that you have been introduced to the Mortensen Math Fact Challenge, I'm going to show you how to access the resources you'll need for this from our school website. So if you go to mortensen.jeffcopublicschools.org, you'll find our Mortensen Elementary School website. I'm going to have you click on Library. That will open into the library webpage. If you scroll down, you'll see Be Bulldog Strong with Math Facts. And then I'm going to have you actually click on the Math Fact Challenge link. And this is where going to open up into a hyperdoc. Here is where you are going to find just some brief information about the progression of learning different math facts for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, as well as a little resource bank at the bottom. From here, what you are going to do is you will want to click on the image to access the math fact test. So Fun for the Brain is the website that we are going to be using. So I'm going to click on that link and it's going to open Fun for the Brain website. Now there's a lot of different things that you can do on this, but what we are going to be looking for is quizzes and tests. So I'm going to click on quiz/tests. And if you scroll down, this is what you are going to see. There's addition quizzes, subtraction quizzes, multiplication quizzes, and division quizzes. What you are going to do is you are going to decide which set of math facts you want to start with. From there, you are going to take a pretest. So you can see there's an addition pretest, a subtraction pretest, a multiplication pretest, and then some division facts, okay? From there, you are going to take the pretest and record your results in a table. Now, you might be asking where you get the table. There is going to be a sheet coming home this weekend. So on this part of that hyperlink, the hyperdoc, you are going to find the Math Fact Challenge recording sheet. So once you've decided from Fun for the Brain which pretest you are going to do. So let's say I decide I'm going to do the addition pretest. You click on it. You can allow Adobe if that pops up on yours. And your quick quiz will pop up. So I'm going to type in my name and everything else will get filled out. So as you can see, once you push start, you can start typing in the answers. And I won't go through all of them, but I'll answer a couple of them incorrectly so you see what happens. Once you've gone through and answered all of the practice pretest ones, you can say finished. And then it will show you which ones you got correct. The red X's are going to be which ones you missed. You'll want to make sure that you go through all of it, but then at the top, it will record your correct, your incorrect, and the time it took you to complete. It will also give you the date. So then when you go to your recording sheet, which will be sent home in Friday folders, this is where you're going to record the date, the test. So for example, I just took the addition pretest. The score, so this is the number correct out of the total. So for me, my number correct would be 4 out of a total, which is the correct and incorrect, out of 36. So I would be putting 4-36. The time completed, I think mine was 24 seconds, but obviously I didn't complete all of it. And then make sure that you have your parent initial each time you complete a math fact test. So once you've finished your very first practice pretest, I want you to look through and see if you missed a lot of the 3s or 4s or whatever it might be. And then those are, as you go back to the quizzes and tests, those are the ones that you'll want to practice. So maybe the addition facts, 6 facts only were an area that I really wanted to practice. So this gives you an opportunity to practice. You could practice a variety of them, or if you really, really want to hone in on a couple of ones that you're missing a lot of. For example, maybe with multiplication, some of those like 7 or 8s, you could take those quizzes. But then what you'll do is, so I did the addition pretest. Maybe I'm going to practice my 6 facts. So I'm going to go back, and on my recording sheet, I'm going to make sure to record the date, the test that I took, and the score, and so forth. When you complete the entire sheet, you can turn it into your teacher. Make sure before you do so that you'll want to take the post-test. So after your pre-test, you find out some of the areas that you want to practice more, and then there is going to be a post-test at the end. And then you can compare how you did from your pre-test to your post-test. This document right here is a PDF, so if you forgot your recording sheet, feel free, you can print this at home, and it also has the website right there. So just to give you a little brief overview one more time, you're going to go to the Mortensen Elementary School webpage, click on Library link. That's going to open up the library webpage. Scroll down, click on Math Fact Challenge, which will open into your HyperDoc. This is going to give you some information about the different math facts. You're going to click on Fun for the Brain, and here is your recording sheet. Again, your recording sheet you should have a paper copy of, but in case you don't, you can access one and print it from there. All right, boys and girls, be Bulldog Strong with math facts. I'm excited to see how you challenge yourself and improve over these next few months.